Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Spore Finance. What's the current price of the Spore Finance, what's the pricing okay in the Spore Finance, and absolutely in this video I will show you the surprise of the Spore Finance. So keep watch this video till the end friends, and if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and like this video friends. I hope you are subscribe my channel friends. Let's start the video friends and let's move on friends. So if we talk about the price of the Spore Finance, absolutely, as you know that the price of the Spore Finance is very low. That is why the price of the Spore showing here as 0 USD dollar friends. Anyways, if you look the prices occur in the Spore Finance, so absolutely the last 1 hour pricing is going positive friends. That's a surprise news for all of you that the Spore Finance now this time start jumping friends, and I hope this surprise will continue for a long time friends, and same like that positive change also continue for a long time friends. Unfortunately, the previous time change occur is going very badly negative, but very soon with the passage of time the whole change is become positive. Let's see my friends the price chart. Oh my god, absolutely, that's a great surprise for all of you, especially for Spore Finance holders, that Spore Finance gradually start moving upward, but I hope that it seem like that they continue this jump for a long time, and that will give you only and only profit. As you can see here, if you look the price, the highest price is very low friends. So that's mean that the current price of the Spore Finance is absolutely going very low friends. I suggest for all of my viewers, especially for my subscriber, to invest in a Spore Finance because the price of the Spore Finance is very low, and as you can see here now this time the jumping time of the Spore is already start now friends. Anyways, if you look the last 124 hours price since occur in the Spore, so negative 17.98% price since occur in the Spore Finance, and the highest price is 0.0000000001 USD dollar friends. Absolutely a very high amount of zero, and after a bundle of 0 is a 1, that is the highest price of the Spore Finance. My prediction, my opinion about the Spore Finance is 100% positive, and I think that the future of the Spore Finance is bright. What's your opinion? What's your prediction about Spore? Please share in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.